You just bought a house, rehab is underway, then your insurance agent calls you and says, you're in a flood zone. Now it's going to cost you thousands. Who missed it? Well, in this video today, we're showing you exactly how to avoid this same situation that costs thousands of real estate investors just like yourself every year. So let's get started. But before we do, remember, share, subscribe, like the channel below. Hi, I'm Chris with the Flood Insurance Guru, and more than a decade ago, I bought a house in a flood zone just like this right here. The problem is I had no idea that it was in a flood zone. I didn't find out until 2 weeks before closing, and it was going to cost me thousands of dollars. And that's why I've been helping real estate investors just like yourself for more than a decade. So you've bought this house, it's underway, and you find out it's in a flood zone, it's gonna cost you thousands. Why are you just now finding this out after you bought the property? More than likely, as a real estate investor, maybe you were working with a hard money lender, and maybe you didn't have a traditional mortgage that ran what was called a standard flood zone determination form that could have told you right away that this was going to be in what's called a high-risk flood zone, that flood insurance was going to be required if you had a mortgage. Or when you go to sell this property, whoever buys your property is going to be required to carry flood insurance on it, drastically dropping the value of the property. A standard flood zone determination form is one easy way to avoid this, finding this out, because let's just say this is a rehab or maybe a new build. Let's just say it's a rehab, an older property. If you're adding an addition or you're improving the property more than 50% of market value, this means that the year built when it comes to floodplain management guidelines could be changing to the current year. Let's say this property is 50 years old. This means if this property had a basement, you might have to fill it in. It means you may have a lien put on the property until you fix the floodplain management guidelines, which could cost you thousands. In fact, we had a real estate investor in Arizona that this cost them $200,000. We had an investor in Florida that cost them $50,000 because they didn't know the check. But here's the good news for you. In the description of this video, you can find the flood zone on that property in less than 60 seconds. So you don't have the same pain that everyone else has had to go through this. You could also potentially find out what flood insurance is going to cost on a property like this. But make sure to keep watching and watch your next video on what your flood insurance options are as a real estate investor. I'm Chris, the Flood Insurance Guru, and I look forward to speaking to you in our next video. And remember, everybody's in a flood zone. It's just a matter of how fast water gets to you. Thank you.